Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are doing a Q&A and a giveaway at the end of the video, so stick around for that. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you'd like to show the channel support, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. I asked for your questions on Twitter, and you guys sent in a bunch. Let's start answering some Qs. First question from Alec. On a scale 1 to 10, how excited are you to be an aunt? I'm a full 10, and for those of you who don't know, my sister Mo is pregnant. She's in her 3rd trimester. She has the biggest baby bump. She is so adorable. And actually, I've been thinking about making a 24-hour pregnancy video so I could be right alongside her and supportive and understand more what she's going through. So let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to do that. I think that would be a really fun day to just hang out as sisters with big old bellies together. I think that would be so much fun. Okay, next question. Do you like pineapple pizza? Yes, I love pineapple pizza. My sister and I both love this kind of pizza, and I don't know why it's a big deal. I don't know what the debate is about. Mikachu asks, what made you decide to freeze your eggs? This is a great question, and actually it was my mom who suggested it. Thank you, Mama Mia. I think it was a wonderful decision, and even though it was a much more intense and involved process than I originally expected, I don't regret anything, and I would do it again in a heartbeat. I've always wanted kids, but I just really don't know when that's gonna happen for me. I'm so busy and things are going so well career-wise, and I'm just pursuing and getting these opportunities that are really once-in-a-lifetime opportunities, and that's been my focus. So I just wanted to give myself more options because I'm super healthy, and this may be TMI, but I'm very fertile right now. I went to the doctor and she said, you're so healthy, you're super fertile, this would be the perfect time to freeze your eggs. I know your channel is about cooking and baking, but I think it would be great if you talked about this because I honestly don't know too much. This is gonna turn into just a little story time in the middle of this Q&A. The process to freeze my eggs took about 7 weeks. It started with a lot of testing. After the blood testing, you do an ultrasound. It was so cool, you guys. At the ultrasound, I could see how many follicles were in my ovaries, on the screen, and I had a baker's dozen. After the ultrasound, I went on a oral hormone for 3 weeks. That changed my body a little bit. I gained 5 pounds, and it also changed my food cravings. I really wanted more salty things. Then I took a week off, and then I started the daily injections, and those are self-administered at home, so I did those by myself. I'm gonna learn about all the different injectables that I have to take, and they're all right here, and I have to learn what they are, how to use them, how to inject them, and we just got done drawing blood again to make sure everything is good. We took 4 or 5 vials of blood, and the first time I did it, she took 8, and we tested for everything. So now I'm going back to school. I'm going to learn. The daily injections timeline was supposed to last 2 weeks, but I was on them for a little bit longer. I was on them for about 3 weeks. I actually filmed a video of the very first day that I was doing injections. I will play that footage now. I'm super cozy. I have all the sweats on today. I am really excited, but I'm also nervous. Today is the first day of injections. I am going to be injecting myself with a bunch of the medicine over here. It's nice because they give you all the medicine all together right up front, so you have all of it. I'm going to be injecting myself with medicine for the next 2 weeks. There's some more medicine, but it's in the refrigerator and it's supposed to stay in the refrigerator. The first day I get 2 injections right on my tummy. I'm going to be injecting the Follistim pen and the Menopur. Purr like a kitty. I'm going to start with the Follistim pen first because the nurse said it was a little bit easier to use out of the 2 meds, and it was also a little less painful. This is it. This is the pen, and it actually looks like a pen. It even has the little pen. I don't know if it's a hold up to go in your pocket or whatever, but take one of these and just swipe on the top. Twist this in. They said a little below the belly button right here. And I'm so happy that I put on a little bit of weight when I was taking daily hormones because now I have a little bit of skin to pinch. I am nervous if I was really cut and toned where I would be sticking this needle. I feel like it would just be like going into an organ or something. And now I have a little bit of muffin to grab, which makes me really happy. So this worked out perfect. First injection. Oh wow. Oh wow, getting nervous. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And press down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Definitely hurts. And this is one of the smaller needles. This is the second one, Matpat. This is the one that the nurse was saying is a little bit more painful, so I saved it, you know, for last. And it's a little bit more complicated to set up than the pen. I've got 2 medications. One is liquid and one is powder, and we open both the caps. Open this up. Add all of it. Gently swirl. And now everything's pre-measured, so we want to take all of it. Attach the needle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh. All right, so I've gotten through the first day of shots. Day 1 is now completed. Also, during the 3 weeks of the injections, my hormone levels were skyrocketing. Sometimes I would just start crying for no reason. Like one time I started crying because I didn't finish the laundry. Like, that's not something you cry over, but for some reason, I was so sensitive. Also, during this whole time, my physician encouraged me to follow pregnancy best practices, which I think is really smart, and it's just being extra cautious where I don't drink any wine, no alcohol, no more than 1 cup of coffee a day. This was so hard for me because usually I am a 3 coffees a day kind of a gal, so I had to reduce my coffee intake and eat all organic foods, no hot tubbing during this time or taking hot baths, and also no exercising, especially intense exercising. So during the weeks that I was doing all the injections, I wasn't exercising at all, and then even after surgery, you don't exercise for about 2 weeks to allow everything, all the swelling to go down and allow the incisions to heal. And I just wasn't expecting all in all to be out for that long. I really thought you just took some hormones, harvested some eggs. I thought it was just, I didn't really understand it was this big process, but I do now, and I have a lot of respect for other women going through this process. One thing I didn't expect is how big your ovaries get. They swell to the size of grapefruits. I couldn't get into any of my clothes. I think I wore the same pair of sweatpants and a sundress. Right before I had surgery, Mo and I both had little matching bumps. The last step was surgery and then a 2-week recovery. Is it done?
Yeah, you're done. It was only a couple minutes.
I don't remember.
Do you remember coming back here?
No.
You remember driving here?
During the 2 weeks, you're supposed to take it easy and not exercise, and I actually went on bed rest for 3 days because my body really needed to recover after surgery. And the surgery was also a full surgery. I don't know why in my mind I took that so lightly, but I went fully under. There was an anesthesiologist, there were incisions made. I mean, it was a real surgery. This mini story time has a happy ending because the surgery was a success. We got 24 healthy eggs. It just gives me so many more options for the future. I don't feel any time pressure. Like, I can do it when I'm ready. And that feeling is so empowering and amazing. And I would, because of that feeling, I would do this process again in a heartbeat. Story time is over. Next question, back to this Q&A. Sister Shrub's Dance Race asks, what is your opinion on people shipping you and Matpat as a couple? Oof, I love you. That's very sweet. I love you too. My opinion on shipping is I don't care about it at all, and I think it's actually a good thing. For those of you who don't know, Matpat is like my brother from another mother, and I think whenever you do a video with someone, whenever you collab with someone, I personally want people to ship us together because it means you like our chemistry, our energy together, you know, whatever kind of relationship you have, whether it's romantic or a friendship. So to answer your question, I don't mind the ships. I don't mind sailboats. I don't mind. Bring on the yachts. Bring on the tugboats. All on board. Speaking of Matpat, this is so sweet. This question asks, what was your favorite moment of Escape the Night? I had so many favorite moments. I love filming, I love being on set, and I love being on set with people I love and all of my friends. We're all getting so busy, our schedules are like crazy. It is so rare to get all of us together for like a couple weeks straight and spend that much time together. So like the quality time was so special, but honestly, my favorite moment of Escape the Night, spoiler alert, bling, bling, bling. If you haven't seen season 3 yet, but my favorite moment is when Matpat came back to life, because I love that guy. That's my brother. Of course, I missed him. I was crying, real tears, when he came back. I was that happy. Next question. If you were to get a second pet, what kind would you get and what would you name it? I love all animals, but I am a huge dog person, so I would probably get another dog. I would probably name it a food name. I tend to name dogs food names. Some of you may not know this, but I didn't actually name Cookie. When I adopted Cookie, Cookie was already her name. I would get to name my first dog, and it would definitely be a food name. Maybe it would be waffles, maybe pancakes, maybe sweet potato, marshmallow. Okay, there's so many things. Will you ever think of going on vacation to the Fiji Islands? I love you. Oh my gosh, it's so sweet. I would love to. I've never been to Fiji, and I've seen pictures all over Instagram. It looks amazing and beautiful and tropical and like paradise. I've just never been there. Question from James Porter. You've hosted a few parties in your beautiful home. Have you ever hosted a murder mystery party? The answer is no. I have never hosted one, and I have always wanted to do it. I thought it would be so much fun. So if I do this, I promise I will vlog it because I want to remember everything. My vlogs are kind of becoming my scrapbook memories. I don't scrapbook anymore, and now when I want to remember something, I just look back and rewatch the vlog. Alec also wants to know, what's your favorite kind of pie? Apple. Alec also wants to know, what's your favorite genre of music? I listen to all genre. My dad loves music, and he raised my sister and I listening to a huge, wide range of different types of music. Country, jazz, classic, R&B, hip-hop, rap, everything. I love good music. If a song makes me feel something, it's good. And I don't really care what genre it's from. Sometimes I want to listen to rock music. Sometimes I want to listen to some pop. Sometimes I just want to listen to Christmas music all day. And sometimes I'm feeling like Hawaiian reggae. I don't know. It's all over the place. But fun fact, this girl can recite every lyric to any 90s R&B song. 90s R&B may be my favorite. Question from Jaden. If you weren't on YouTube, what career would you want to do? This would have to be if YouTube didn't exist, because I love YouTube. So if YouTube didn't exist, I would probably be doing a traditional route of acting or singing because I love them both. Oh my gosh, Michael, good question. Would you rather live next to the Shire or Hogwarts? I would definitely want to live Hogwarts because the Shire, I just don't want to deal with the potential orc situations. I love the Shire and people of the Shire. I feel like those are my people, but you know, I want to live at Hogwarts. I like all that magic, and there's unicorns in that forest. I could have an owl. Who would not want to live at Hogwarts? Mackenzie wants to know, question for Rosanna, are you going to spoil Mo's baby? Yes, when Mo's baby is a baby. But as soon as that baby is not a baby, we don't spoil in our family because you could spoil a kid rotten. You have to teach them hard work and discipline that our parents taught us. Homo. They gotta work for what they earn. You don't get stuff for free. You cute little butterface. It's gonna be very hard for me to say no, but I'm gonna do it because it's for your own freaking good. I'm not gonna help raise an entitled baby. I'm gonna put that baby to work. I'm gonna be like, here's your new part-time job. You're now my sous chef. As soon as they're old enough to whisk, I'm gonna be like, help me make some cookies, get in there. Selma wants to know, what is my favorite food in my cookbook? There are so many good recipes in my new cookbook that just came out. It's called Baking All Year Round. I'll put a link down below in the description if you want to check it out. But my favorite, hands down, cookie recipe are the gingerbread cookies. They are phenomenal. If you like gingerbread, these cookies have all the flavors of a gingerbread, but they're just a little bit softer, so they aren't so dry. It's still a traditional gingerbread. They're just a little softer, and they're so good. Delicious. Oh my God, would you want to be on Dancing with the Stars? Parentheses, plus, did you watch this season? I love Dancing with the Stars. 2 of my friends have been on the show. Bethany Moda, who is the very first digital content creator, digital star, to be recognized as a star. I'm so excited on Dancing with the Stars. Dancing with the Stars has had celebrities from so many different fields, like sports celebrities, music celebrities, TV celebrities, movie celebrities. They've had different genres, but digital celebrities are the newest form of celebrity. So I was so excited because my girl, Bethany Moda, was the very first digital star to be on Dancing with the Stars. So those are my favorite seasons. I love Bethany Moda's season and when my girlfriend Lindsay Sterling went on. Both of the girls, they did so good, and I went to both of their shows live just to be supportive because I love them so much, and it was so much fun. Ooh, Mike, this is a question for you from Beetlejuice. Does Cookie love Husky?
Cookie loves everybody.
Yeah.
She is such a social butterfly.
She's over by the door right now. She wants to go outside and play, but Cookie loves Mike. She loves Husky. It's like her dog dad. I'm gonna insert some pictures of Cookie and Husky. He raised her and he's her dog dad. They're so adorable. He takes really good care of her and she loves the poop out of him. Whoa, John the Dolphin is asking big, hard-hitting questions just coming in. Are hot dogs sandwiches? I don't know these things. I mean, I don't know these answers. It's meat between 2 pieces of bread, but if it was a sandwich, wouldn't we just call it a sandwich? All right, that is it for the Q&A. Thank you for all of your questions. Now let's get into the giveaway. For the holidays, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway with Wilton. We're choosing 3 winners. You can enter the giveaway until November 30th. November 30th is when the giveaway ends, and then Wilton will choose the winners early December. We're gonna be giving away a bunch of Row Baking Line products and baking sets, so I'm so excited. If you're interested in signing up for the giveaway, all you need to do is go to Wilton's website at wilton.com/rowsweepstakes. You pick which of 4 holiday projects are your favorite, and then enter your name and best emailing address, the best way they can get in contact with you if you win. So again, I'll put a link down below to go to enter if you're interested, and the giveaway ends November 30th. So if you're interested, sign up by then. All right, that does it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the Q&A, the mini story time, and the giveaway, and I hope you guys have happy holidays. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to show support for the channel, click subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.